Nyamira nigo obotereriwe county ya Nyamira bono bwachakire omoroberio bokomentari gesaria mabere gochiase abaremi betu gase county yo bubuna enchera eyemo yokoena na chimori chingiya echo kirachikoba chigokonya abaremi asokogenderia se obokoreri bwabo buremi bwakira rituko
ayangwetera okubwatwa wechimbego wotumeka chindege gosechio chimanyikanite buna drones asumuno abwekenya murero korwa sechi abisi headquarters imeye omuchunyamira wekase chi sub county chonsi imeye county yori wekera abaremi no murobiro bakoko chakiwari tkola rero ase ebunke ya borabu wase orabe ko wekiraniwa ase chinsemo awunenchiremo yoko enekia obwororo bokonyora chimbego asabaremi eriyo gokinya tigesaria mabere
muliki itokora se county ya Nyamira Paul Kapokara na roboti urwa senchira yoweme
county ya Nyamira nigo yachakiro muruberio oboko watoka chimbego ejo chimanyakanete byase egenyamolero buna artificial insemination go chia sabaremi anene kurwase sub county ya Borabu unenjire ya moyo gokinyaligasa lya mabere.
Dr. Nancy Okinyi, Borabu sub county veterinary officer. Nyamira County has partnered with Zipline Company to deliver to us different hormones which we use for synchronization and then we inseminate on day 10.
Agukwa nabo abisa kurwase county yonigo bateringa muruberio yo nigora tkunyara kabako kubatra na monech company chinde elio gokinya obolemi bwa mabere kurwase eskimu.
My name is Humphrey Matunda Nyakundi. I'm the veterinary officer SSA ward. We have received all our consignment and we are now ready to go to the field. I'd like to thank them because this will go a long way in helping our farmers. This now is a fresh and semen from Kagrig.
Bakorokyo mogokobo abalemi kurwase chinseme echo nigo batebruna nigo bakagerete go kinyaraka bakanyaririga salya mabere egento korengana mu nabo batogirie serikali ya county ya Nyamira se okubwatira nuko asibono baganiro mu rubiri buno yugo tambere go cyasa abantu bande bunenchira ya moyo kwenyorera anene ogukinigwa kweriga salya mabere.
Madaktari wamefika kuja na project hii ya kuinseminate kutoka kwa county. Ninashukuru kwa sababu inaonekana this is the way to go. Kwa hivyo huyu ng'ombe wangu ambaye amekuwa inseminated leo ninamuita Faith na ninatarajia kwamba atashika mbegu na tutaendelea kushirikiana katika mambo kama haya ili tuweze kupata ndama wazuri na ng'ombe wazuri kama ukulima wa Isisi.
Numurubiri korengana mo nabo bisaba igabatinete omurubiri igomagima batebirura tkunyara kabako kogendera asiba semeri abalimi gwa koroboti go cyase cyabisi cya abafetanali kurwaza cinsemechi unenchire ye moyo gokonya kamone mbegu eyira bakonya gokineliga salya mabere.
They have inseminated 2 of the cows and I'm now happy. I want to thank the county government of Nyamira for this and we are looking forward to see how it will go and I'm hoping that the cows will be in calf and I'll receive a good product come 9 months.
The farmers are happy now that they have received the hormones and the semen at the same time. We've inseminated 6 animals hoping to get the best results. To the farmers, in case you have any problem, you can reach out to us. We are ready to serve you.
Nechimbego bono chirati kunyara kabachi gotari gwa gochase je sub county chindime ye county ga Nyamira bago tumeke ndege je kerere uya emanyakanite buna drone yo irati kunyara kabage go ikera ba veterinary kurwasi nsemo abunenchire yamo yo kubakonya abalemi ira yalietwamo noburayi bwayo mu governor bwe county ya Nyamira omoski momenya ribonse ya wizara y'uburemi. Iginko reporter getasini kwa wanjete kia Ndizi TV kurugi Gusii county ya Nyamira inchigo nkuru kwa Polycarp Okara.